Hello everyone, Twistncoils here. Today we're going to do a 2-in-1 style, so if you're interested, keep on watching. Okay, so we're starting out on freshly washed hair, and this is my first video of 2022, and this is actually an older video. This was actually filmed in 2019, so wanted to get it out. You guys asked about this style. It was posted on my Instagram a long time ago, and I'm trying to get around to fulfilling videos that you guys requested, so that's what I'm doing here. And you guys seen Revere plenty of time on my channel. I really love the dryer, so that's what we're using here. And I'm going to just stretch her hair out and we're going to proceed into the style. Okay, so now that she's all blown out, we're going to go ahead and make a part at an angle on each side, and we're going to try to get the side as identical as possible. You guys asked, how do you get both sides to look exactly alike? And one thing I suggest is to actually go ahead and part out that side too before you braid, so you can go back and forth if that helps you keep everything uniform on one side versus the other. So that's what you see me doing here. I'm actually going to part each side. I'm going to do a braid on one side, and of course you do not have to do this. This is just if you are struggling with getting the braids the same on each side. I was just doing one side and then flipping around and doing the other side, so you can kind of go back and forth to see exactly what you're doing and line those braids up perfectly. Okay, we're starting that first braid off, and we're going to flip around and do the same thing on the other side, and I'll let you guys watch and I'll pop in here and there. Stay tuned. Okay, so we completed the first two braids, and it's so crazy because you could actually rock it just like this and do it like a twist that or something like that in the back and the front. I could see so many different styles you can do with just the one braid there, but we're going to go a step further and we're going to add some more braids on each side, and then we're going to proceed into the next step, which is adding twists to the back and the front. So keep watching. Okay, so now we're going to work on that back section. We're going to actually do 2-strand twists. We're going to add our styler, and then we're going to proceed to twist the remaining of the hair that's left. This was a great style. As you know now, she really rocks mini twists, and that's her go-to style. But back in 2019, this was a great style for her, because we would always try to stretch her styles for 3 weeks. So the beautiful thing about this style, she was able to wear it in twists 1 week, and then the second week we pinned it up, and the third week we unraveled it for a twist style. So great versatile style. You can do a lot of things with this style, so definitely stay tuned to see the final results. Okay, so that pretty much wraps up this tutorial. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Again, the styling options are endless, so definitely let me know if you try it out. Tag me on Instagram at Twistncoils. You can pin it up 1 week and wear it down 1 week, or unravel it for a twist out. So definitely a great style to stretch. So I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I'll see you guys on the next video, and thanks for watching.